Install supporting rack. First of all, we need to install the supporting rack on both sides. This is the holding screw for the pallet.
The following is the fixing nut and the fixing method.
After that, we're going to level the tractors on both sides. It is best to level with infrared light. The shelves and machine benches on both sides are completely leveled. After leveling, then we can connect electricity to the machine. Connect power and air source. This is L1, L2, L3. These are the 3 wires. N is a neutral line. There are 3 live wires and 1 neutral line.
Adjust plate spacing.
Place profiles and adjust plate spacing. Loosen 2 locking screws. Twist the middle sleeve rod by hand to lift or lower the top plate to accommodate the different heights of insulation. Can be adjusted according to scale or random tool ruler. When the spacing adjustment is complete, gently lock the locking screws. Adjust the other 5 groups of rolling discs in the same way. Adjust plate height. Adjust the plate height by pushing the plate up and plate down buttons so that the knife plate is just aligned with the notch height. Adjust the upper roller. Adjust the height of the upper pressing roller through the up/down button so that the roller gently press the profile. Adjust plate pressure. Adjust the plate pressure by hand wheel, first adjusting the plate to squeeze the aluminum. Then shake the first round to adjust the value of the pressure gauge.
According to the actual situation of the specific profile adjustment, the general situation of the first adjustment is 300, the second 350, the third 400.
The machine is operated by forward/back buttons and speed control knob. There are manual forward and backward control buttons on the left side of the machine, which only work when pressed and stop when released. Used to debug the machine or if it is not rolled well. Machine running. Put in the profile, click the start button, rotate to the forward gear, speed control knob to adjust the speed. The machine works normally. Check whether aluminum is firm and bent. If the upper and lower bending occurs, it can be adjusted by the upper and lower height of the fourth roller. If bending from left to right, loosen the locking screws first and adjust the front and back adjustment of the plate.